I can't believe it's been 2 weeks already that we arrived in Umbria.
I know, it's crazy, huh? Man, that went by fast.
I know, we just love it, and we've been busy.
We arrived in Umbria August 16, 2021, and we were immediately captured by its beauty. The views just never stopped, not even from our private apartment, from sunrise to sunset, and oh, those Umbrian sunsets were so gorgeous. We spent the rest of August exploring little lesser-known places like Panicale, Piegaro, Castiglione del Lago, which is surrounded by Lago Trasimeno, and Pacciano, where Ed Sheeran likes to hang out. We've enjoyed meeting people and hanging out with the locals for meter-long pizzas every Saturday night. Oh, and speaking of food in Umbria, we loved eating everything from platters of meat and cheeses to delicious traditional meals paired with some of the best wines in Italy. September came, and so did family and friends from Belgium and the United States, which had us eating more food and exploring more places like Assisi, Spello, as well as visiting neighboring Tuscany to see Florence, Siena, and Pienza. We had fun wine tasting, pizza making, playing some golf, and even trips to Rome. But nothing beats a local festa.
So today we stumbled upon a fest here in Panicale, where they start off the grape season with a cheese rolling contest. So much fun. Whoa!
Oh!
That's a good one.
No.
Same place. And now they measure to see how far the cheese rolled. Hey, next contestant. So the original disc of Parmigiana has broken up, and they've taken a little break to go get a new roll, but they're passing around pieces of the damaged Parmigiana.
We're off to get the cheese.
Tanto più basso di quello.
Dai, che sempre l'etichetta, Fabio, non c'è tanto.
Checking how it rolls.
Fabio, per me questo lo sbagli, me lo sento proprio, non so, ho sentito...
Whoa! Oh! And it lands over there. Oh, so it's kind of like golfing cheese.
It's 3 teams of, I think, 3 throwers per team, and it's a golf kind of setup. Best ball, I guess. They throw, they roll.
Best roll of cheese.
Yeah, best roll, and then they roll on forwards, but they only take 1 turn, so.
What do you think, Birgit?
So far, I'm liking it.
He's got to get on his mark. No cheating here. Okay. Here we go. Whoa, look at that go. Bravo.
Può darsi,
Ma se poi ci vuole la finita mencinina.
il problema è che adesso è a pillone. Può essere a pillone.
Eccolo.
I'm not sure what it hit. It got stuck under the bench. Didn't get far.
No, va di mezzo le preghiere che io dicono, perciò tu sai che...
Ognuno per sé,
no, perché tu dopo mi devi aumentare il carico e allora io già ce l'ho grosso, lo sai? Bravo, va bene!
no, cazzo, gira. Va bene, guarda
Oh, it's still going. Bravo! There he goes, catching up with the recent winner right now, or winning.
Bravo! Berti, bravo!
That's a good one.
Vai!
Nice! We're having an argument of some sort.
Va bene, dai. Tanto è così tenuta da qui in avanti.
He's mad.
Marcia piede, niente via. Preso.
So now that we've made it to the end, we're going to throw it this way one time to see who gets the furthest. Back up the hill.
Ceccarini, Yuri, Ivan,
It's my best guess.
Ivan.
Here we go. Let's hope he doesn't hit me. Whoa! Look at that.
Bravo Sergio.
Ragioniamo col passo, via. L'ha lasciato bene.
È buono, è buono, è buono.
No, si punta di là.
È andata bene, è andata bene.
Still going.
And it's out of here.